How to save money on Super Bowl party supplies. Are you ready for the big game? Super Bowl Sunday is just around the corner, and hosting a memorable party doesn't have to break the bank. In this video, we'll share some fantastic money-saving tips and ideas to help you save money while still having a blast. 1. DIY decorations. One of the best money-saving hacks can be enjoyable too. Instead of spending a fortune on store-bought decorations, get creative and make your own. Use team colors to create banners, tablecloths, and centerpieces. Get crafty and create football-themed decorations using items you already have at home. DIY decorations are not only fun to make but can also add a personal touch to your party. 2. Potluck Style. Want to learn how to save money on groceries for your event? Hosting a potluck-style party is an excellent way to reduce costs on food and beverages. When sending out invites, ask your friends to bring their favorite Super Bowl snacks or drinks. Provide some ice, coolers, and cups to help keep the drinks chilled and easily accessible. This not only lightens the load on your wallet but also ensures a variety of tasty treats for everyone to enjoy. Don't forget to coordinate with your guests to ensure a balanced spread of savory and sweet options. 3. Game day specials. Take advantage of game day specials at your local grocery store or favorite restaurant. Many establishments offer discounts on popular party foods and beverages during the Super Bowl. Keep an eye out for special promotions and coupons that can help you save money on your party supplies. 4. Set up a DIY snack bar. Rather than ordering expensive catered food or pre-made platters, set up a DIY snack bar. Have a variety of chips, dips, and toppings available so guests can create their own nachos or loaded hot dogs. This not only saves money but also gives your guests the freedom to customize their snacks according to their preferences. 5. Game prediction pool. Create a game prediction pool where guests can make guesses about the outcome of the game. You can offer simple prizes or bragging rights for the person who gets the most predictions right. This not only adds excitement to the party but also gives everyone a chance to engage in friendly competition. 6. Outdoor viewing area. If weather permits, set up an outdoor viewing area. One of the best low-cost DIY home improvement ideas can be as simple as hanging a large white sheet and using a projector to display the game. Set up some cozy seating and blankets for your guests to enjoy the game under the stars. It's a unique and budget-friendly way to create a memorable Super Bowl experience. These budget-friendly tips will help you host an unforgettable Super Bowl party without breaking the bank. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but about the memories you create with friends and family. If you're in a pinch and need cash now, perhaps a personal loan is an option to consider. We could help you get the fast money you need either today or the next business day. Want to learn more? Visit our website,